In our productivity-obsessed culture, even discussing productive procrastination seems a little ludicrous. A quick Google search and you are flooded with articles and hacks to keep you off lazy habits and just about anything that keeps you from working in your every waking moment. But could the rest from your otherwise ridiculously productive life be the key you need to enjoy your work and be more efficient? I think the mind state you're in when you're procrastinating can really make a massive difference. I will guide you through the process of creating this very video you're watching currently in a productively procrastinating way. We have a few choices about how we think about procrastination. Either it can be a brainstorm of ideas or a stress-inducing session, where we stress about not doing the task we are supposed to do. But we naturally brainstorm when we let our minds wander. A brainstorming session is incredibly beneficial and is at the core of all ideas, solutions, and radical thought. And to make this a beneficial form of procrastination, record those thoughts. Keep a small notebook or have a Notion page of easy access brain notes. Or use Roam Daily Notes like I'm going to show you now. We can use our mind's natural wonder and curiosity to our advantage. We can consume material that stimulates us on the topic of our major task. For example, for this video, I was consuming the topic of procrastination. I started off with a basic Google search and let my procrastination and mind into a wormhole for a timed 1-hour session. I made notes on the material, keeping it brief. For this, I made sure I jot down my actual thoughts in the moment as they came, regardless if I thought I could use those links or connections in this video. I like building my own connection library right inside of Roam, as it keeps strange and wonderful connections appearing. I also focus on a brief reference to what my thought was about. For example, I'll include a picture or a quote, always keeping this brief. My response to the stimulus is more important for building my own library of connections. This way, the thought process will be beneficial to my future self. We can use our brain's natural ability to wonder and be curious to our advantage. Just consume the material that's on the topic of your major task. It allows for more surprising and personal connections. So personally, I like to make this hour as valuable as I possibly can, because all I'm looking for is pure ideas. And it doesn't have to make sense as a whole. Just getting your thoughts down on paper is beneficial for you to see the links between them, see what makes sense, and how you can change it. So your brain is making connections almost unconsciously, and this is problem solving at its finest. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.